This short guide shows how to buy shares of CarMax Inc., a large used car retailer in the United States. CarMax trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KMX, and this is an educational video, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KMX to find CarMax Inc. quickly. Select the matching listing to open the stock page for the correct company. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and examine the price chart to confirm this is CarMax Inc. Make sure the listing shows the ticker KMX before moving forward. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed according to order type, and if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link used as an example if you want to review the platform.